I hate you.
Open the door.
Oh, we found her. We were looking all over for you.
Face looks kind of red.
That was Kara. She's too good for us. Oh, this is cute. Let me see this. Let me see Joe's pants. What do we got there?
What?
I like that.
What?
Your little pocket embroiderment. Oh, what? There's coffee? Oh.
It's not coffee.
Why is it not coffee? Why did you lie to me?
I didn't lie to you. It's tea.
No! Come on! Oh!
I said coffee.
It's tea with
How
milk
was that
in it.
tea? Oh, that's disgusting. You just made me want to vomit.
But there is coffee.
There is coffee, but it's decaf.
There's little kids playing around. We're in a church. I don't believe in God, but we're in a church. Does that make me horrible? Heather.
I wonder what their response is.
This is my zoom. I just extend my arms in your eye. And then go like this.
Oh, snap, son.
And then look at my fingers.
Have you ever seen an onion look like this?
In the kitchen. Kitchen time! Alex.
Yeah? It's good. Camera?
This is Mr. President Alex.
Huh?
Can we see your name tag?
Name tag? There we go. Alex. Would you like a camera? I have a camera.
This can upload to my channel. So.
Oh, that's yours?
You're overflowing. Drew! I'm sorry. For the record, that was my fault.
Oh my god.
I got you just in time though. It was like
Oh my gosh. Yeah, but it's visible to there. It's whatever. It's all in. It's all going in. This is my third jug made, so it's all going into the same container.
Alright, man. People really love Boost. For you who
It's
do,
already drained about a quarter while I was doing this. While I was making coffee. It's
People
that's
love
all.
it.
People were pouring out while I was putting in, so it's...
let me see the label because people on YouTube have no idea
Boost?
what Boost is.
Boost is banging, dude.
Boost is the greatest drink you'll ever drink in your life. So many people working. I gotta get out of here. Spaghetti! Run, people. Oh god, everybody's running at me. Oh, it is really cold in here. Ooh, bread. Take some bread. Remember last year, or the year before that? The giant thing of bread? I just kept eating it.
Get my other half of my hat back from here.
And do what? It's cardboard.
I got me some salad.
How come you're not running? Come on, I need you out here now. I'm not going to call you twice. Let's go.
Yes, boss.
Hurry up. This way.
Everybody hide in the bathroom.
We are hiding.
I can't see anything. Maybe I'll find the lid. Hi, guys. There's nothing to do, I'm sorry. Just leave you. Is the coast clear? I'm hiding, goddammit. Boom!
Yeah!
Alright, on the count of three, all you three girls right there have to say Chinese food, right? 1, 2, 3, Chinese food.
Chinese food?
You suck at life.
Chinese food! Yay!
Look at my zoom. That's my zoom.
Did you zoom into my face?
No, I don't have a zoom. I have to extend my arms.
I thought you were like zooming into my face.
Here's what I have to do for a zoom. I'm gonna zoom in on your food. Ready? Oh, don't.
Oh, sorry.
You got it all over. No, I'm kidding.
No, it didn't. I love me some croutons.
Put in the handicapped one.
Josh, hurry up and eat and go back
Oh, what?
down.
You got the comfortable
You've been
chair.
eating for how long now?
No, I
Keep eating, dude. We don't want to do anything. Stop being a mother.
I've been coming in, taking a bite, and then going back out. That's what we're doing.
that's like a 2-year-old.
Alright, so there's officially nothing to do, Joe. What do we do?
Bible fight.
Bible fight? We gotta go get some. I'm totally not serious. As funny as that would be on YouTube. Alright, I guess it's time to end this video because it's just too long. So, everybody get in like a group and turn and look at me in the camera. Just everybody like turn and look at me in the camera. Ready? You're in front of Heather, you smuck. Stand right there. Alright? Say, wait. Crap. Alright, Jill, get in there. Look at me. Look at my face. Look at my face.
Okay. Am I in? Am I in?
No. Get in there. Get it. Yeah, everybody has to get in there. You move that way. Don't be a schmuck. Alright. Here, we can't see you because you're black. Episode 2. Alright, ready to say bye, YouTube!